Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, of course, we need to open up our YouTube application. Let's say I'm going to watch a YouTube video and I'm going to watch it on my home screen with minimized screen. Okay, we can open up our YouTube like this, and then we can click on this recent button. Okay, and then you can click on the YouTube app icon right here, and then we're going to open it in pop-up view. Okay, we can select this one. All right, and now as you can see guys that my YouTube application has been minimized, and we'll be able to play this YouTube app from the home screen. And you can make it smaller like this. Oops, sorry. I think this is the smallest ratio. You can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. And then I'm just going to make it smaller. Okay, and if you want to move it, you can tap and hold on this blue line. Okay, and you will be able to place it on any part of your home screen. I'm just going to place it right here, for example. Okay, and actually, it's not only for YouTube, but also for other applications on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can open them in pop-up view, so you will be able to open it from your home screen. You will be able to open multiple apps at the same time on your home screen. Okay, and then if you want to remove it guys, you just need to tap and hold on it, and then you're going to click on cancel this one. Oops, sorry, I'm going to go back. Oops, sorry, the pop-up view has been closed, and I'm going to open it again. We can click on the recent button, tap on the YouTube icon, and open in pop-up view. Okay, that's easy, right? If you want to remove it, you can tap and hold on it and then select remove. Just click on the remove like this, or you can move it to the remove button like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to open YouTube on home screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.